held you down for the longest, and I was there through all of your darkest moments. Feels just like yesterday when we were homeless. Got you some bread and start treating me bogus. Talking about you wanted something new, like I wasn't good enough for you. Guess you done caught you a case of amnesia. Maybe you should take a look in your review. Obviously you forgot all the times that I held you when you cried. And don't you remember that even if you was in the wrong, I stood by your side? No, I guess not, cause you let them thoughts take my spot. Congratulations to you. Say what you wanted is what you got now. So you don't gotta worry about me. Made it clear that you're unhappy, yeah. Go ahead and have your fun now. Just remember what goes around comes around. Yeah, goes around, come right back around. Yeah, I remember when you said that you could have somebody better, and I can't even lie to you, it really messed my head up. Had me looking in the mirror, disgusted with myself, wishing that I looked like someone else, like the girls you like on Instagram. Damn. And you really had the nerve to call me insecure. Maybe it wasn't you, maybe it's true, I didn't know my worth. Yeah, maybe I should've loved me first. Maybe should've loved me first. Oh, should've loved me first. Yeah. So you don't gotta worry about me. You made it clear that you're unhappy, yeah. Go ahead and have your fun now. Just remember what goes around comes around, round. Oh, what goes around comes right back around. Hey, yeah, what goes around, yeah. Just remember what goes around comes around, round, round. What goes around, it comes around. Just remember what goes around comes around.